Hello there, and welcome to week 2 of Etiquette. I'm Miss Agnes. Great job on week 1 with your emails. We are going to particularly focus on social media this week, so let's get into it. What is social media etiquette? Most of you are probably familiar with social media or use it yourself, and is defined as websites and applications that enable users to create and share content or to participate in social networking. And here are a few examples. More popular ones are Instagram or TikTok, Facebook. Maybe some of you used LinkedIn. And then we have etiquette. That is the cornerstone of our unit. So a prescribed or polite behavior among a particular group. So I want to ask you, what social media do you use, and what is your opinion on social media? I want you to pause and click the link in the description of the video, and this will take you to Padlet. You will share your answer under first comment, and I will show you what this looks like. So this is our Padlet. And this is where you're going to write your comment right here of your opinion on social media and what social media you use. So go ahead and pause the video. All right, great job. Now I want you to stay on that page and make a new post. So you will click the plus sign in the bottom right-hand corner and you will make a post. Your subject will be your first and last name, post 1. And in the description, I want you to type what you did this weekend or last week, something fun. And feel free to use those upload features. You can add a photo, a link, I think a GIF, or something else. So get creative with it. Go ahead and pause and do that now. Thank you for doing that. We are now going to look at social media context. Most of you are most familiar probably with this personal context, where we have it for mainly our friends and family. It's fun, we socialize. Sometimes we'll sit on it for hours and hours for entertainment. We share updates and we just spend time. The main difference between personal and professional social media is this time element. In personal, we are spending time, and in professional, we are investing time to reap a benefit or to establish a relationship, to make those connections, and search for opportunities. And these are some examples of those contexts. So personal, social media, you most maybe have Twitter, Snapchat, Instagram, TikTok, but professional is more of LinkedIn. We have a couple more examples, but these can sometimes overlap, especially if you are in a social media department or marketing or advertisement in kind of that field. So here is an article that you are more than welcome to look at that overlap and some examples of that. So what I want you to do now is to click the article in the description of this video, and it will take you to this article. And in a new post on Padlet, I want you to share. Again, you're going to click that plus button and right here. I want you to share one thing you learned, what thing that you will do or use when using social media in the future. Your subject will be first and last name, post 2. And please use those upload features and get creative if you would like. Go ahead and pause and do that now. Thank you for posting. Now I want to play a little this or that. So this is to your personal social media, and you were talking about your weekend sharing with your friends. So we have our little caption here, my weekend. We have everybody, I think, at a nightclub with some drinks. This weekend I partied so hard with my homies. We went to the LA beach and stayed up until 6 in the morning. #lit, #party animals. Okay, this is quite the example. Now let's move on to the next. Same context. You're talking to your friends about your weekend. We have a little bit of a different picture. This weekend was the best. I enjoyed catching up with some close friends at the beach. So this is that overlap. We need to maintain professionalism in our personal social media, because a lot of times those professional connections have access to our personal social media. So that we need to make sure that our posts do not cross a certain line. So please, please, please refrain from posting about partying, alcohol, drugs, vulgar language, anything inappropriate. But even if you think you are sure that nobody from that professional circle can see your posts, you still need to have digital integrity. There's this thing I'm pretty sure that you know of called cancel culture, that even if you think that you are safe from it, somebody can pull something up that you posted from a long time ago. So we need to be very, very careful about what we post. And even if we delete it, there are ways to retrieve that information. So please, I beg you, please be careful. So, what do you notice about this post? I mentioned before, we have alcohol, we have partying, we have the exact location, which is something I haven't mentioned yet, but try and be discreet on your social media. We don't want to give out specifics so people can find us, and it's for your safety and your privacy. Also, this language choice is just, it's not good. It's not good. With this one, it's pretty wholesome. No bad language or explicit content, and the location is vague. Okay, now we're moving to the professional setting, and we're sharing a milestone. Okay, we have if you'll see it on the Padlet, it's a GIF, and it's like a moving pickle. It says, "I'm kind of a big deal." It says, "What's up, game? You're looking at the new director of marketing for Pillows R Us." Boom. Hashtag humble beginnings. I can't wait to boss around the people who told me I would never get promoted. Look who's LOLing now. Ha! Boss. Hashtag money moves. Okay. And then we have this one. New opportunity is our little caption. We have a pillow of the company. I am thrilled to announce that I will be over the marketing division at Pillows R Us. I've gained immeasurable knowledge and tools from working at this incredible company over the last 20 years. I'm eager to take what I've learned and help promote the best pillows on the planet. So, professional etiquette in the social media setting. We want to be careful with what we share in every setting. I want you to start when you post. Why am I making this post? Who will see this? And how do I want my audience to respond or view me? With this, there's a lot going on that's wrong here. The why is revolving around the one posting. It is very selfish in trying to boost the person above everybody else. The poster doesn't, or the user doesn't take into consideration who will see the post. The language is braggadocious, and if this is supposed to be in a professional setting, then they're not, this is not for the appropriate audience. This is childish, it's immature, even though the GIF is funny. And then the how. People who see this will most likely think that the user is selfish and immature. With this other post, the why shares an exciting update while promoting the company. Why is this user sharing this? Like, yes, you're sharing something exciting, but your main focus is not on yourself, it's on the company. The who, the audience is most likely the user's company, other rival companies, and companies within the network. This is humble, but it's also sharing an important update. It promotes the company more than the employee. And those who view this post will most likely see this person as a good person. And proper language, use, punctuation, all of that. I'm in the middle of the screen. There we go. Now, I want you to make a post. Using that same Padlet link, you are going to make a new post. Click the plus sign. Your subject is first and your last name, post 3. Your context is a personal social media, and you are going to post about your new job. Go ahead and pause and do that now. All right, you are going to make another post now with the subject line being first and last name, post 4. Your context is a professional social media setting. You're posting also about your new job. So this post should differ from the last one. Go ahead, pause, and do that. In closing, a big reminder for you is that doubt means don't. If you think in your head, maybe I shouldn't post this, then you should not. If you really want to share something, you should share it with those who are most important to you. So a personal message, direct message, could be more meaningful than something that is just posted for all the world to see. So think before you post. Think about your audience. 1, why am I sharing this? 2, who's going to see this? And 3, how will they respond? Always check your grammar and punctuation, and when in doubt, have a friend or colleague check before you post. So, wrapping up this unit, make sure that you have your 4 posts for this week and 1 comment under the first comment post. And here are some other helpful links. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing your posts.